Hello, friends. Today we are learning how to share. Sharing means giving a turn to someone else. When we share, we say, "You can have it." Now let's practice sharing together. Trial 1. Modeling. My turn? Say, "You can have it." Great sharing. Good job. Trial 2. My turn. Share, please. Wonderful sharing. Good job. Trial 3. My turn. Can I? Super job sharing. You are doing great. Trial 4. My turn. Pause. Amazing sharing. I am proud of you. Fantastic job. Trial 5. My turn. Pause. Fantastic sharing. Big clap. You shared all by yourself. When we share, everyone feels happy. Sharing means giving a turn to someone else. You did a great job sharing today.